Hey guys, we are on 3D Experience World 2020 in Nashville, and in this video we want to show you how easy it is to design stairs and handrails with SolidSteel parametric for SolidWorks. Alright, creating a stair in SolidWorks is super easy by using SolidSteel parametric. We just open the stair function, select a system line for the start point of the stair, selecting a system line for the end point of the stair, and we get a preview. Of course, now we can change all the parameters of the stair, or we just select an existing preset, and here we go. The stair changed, we get a platform at the end, and clicking apply, the stair will be created automatically, including 6 profiles, the miter cuts, the welded component assemblies, the stair steps, and all the bolts. The stair is finished, and now we want to add a handrail. Adding a handrail in SolidWorks with SolidSteel parametric is quite similar to the stairs. We open the handrail functions, and now we have to select an edge and a surface, and we get a preview of our segmented handrail. Of course, we can change all the parameters, we can define different offsets, we can select how many poles should be created. We can add knee rails, for example. We can define their individual position, and after clicking apply, the handrail will be created automatically, including all the cuts and all the profiles. Alright, here we go. The handrail is finished, and now we move a little faster to create the 3 other handrails. The result, and you can see it's super easy to design stairs and handrails with SolidSteel parametric for SolidWorks. Thank you.